What up, YouTube? I thought I'd do something different with you guys because I didn't actually show my face or spoke in it. Yeah. And now I'm actually speaking in it and showing my face because I was just doing videos and I thought this is kind of getting boring. Like, I want to do something really fun, so this is a change. And I don't know, this is just really fun. I don't know why. It just, you know, it just is. I would like to give a shout out to two people. Over here, there. Two people. One of them is Ice Cream Lollipop Girl that is on Roblox. Is that it? I think that's it, right? Yeah. Thank you for being just so nice and just for everything. I'm pretty sure you liked and subscribed. I'm pretty sure you did. The second one, is Mario82 Roblox. That's his YouTube account. So, thank you guys for liking and subscribing. All you have to do for a shout out is to like and subscribe. Sorry if I haven't already given you a shout out yet, but I will next video. I'm doing this Obby, so let's just get started. Also, I have another YouTube account that is Roblox with Star. That's it, I almost forgot it. So go check that out too, and I guess we should just get started. And I'm just so maybe we should just get one. My fast? I'm seriously fast. Does this actually like? Oh, that's like cheating. That's cheating. That's cheating. Oh. The first like stage I die, like what? Oh, it goes. Okay, let's just not. That is so annoying. Okay, let's do it. Woo. This one is pretty easy, but I reckon it will start to get hard as we go through. This is really fun. I don't even know how. But yeah. You guys also please comment down below what game I should play next. Yeah, and I will be thanking you guys so much. Also, I'm sorry I didn't post for a very long time. I forgot the email and then I forgot the password, and it took me weeks to find out. But I finally got it, and that's why I'm making a new video with my face in it. Yeah. What that was, but yeah. What? Who is that person? He's not bad. He's not a noob. I have so many friends on Roblox, I could probably get rid of some. Only the bad people that like noobs. This Obby is so easy right now. Like, he's not really a noob, but he kind of is, like, cause like, see that ending bit just right there? Like, that is cool, and I want to finish. I think that we won't get time to finish this whole thing in a certain amount of time. I've only got like 10 minutes to film this, so well, this is easy. Oh, it moves. I think we better hurry because yeah, I don't really want to like have to end it like halfway through, because that would just be a bummer. Like, you want to see me in, right? Yeah. Now, this is what I'm talking about when it gets harder, like it gets thicker. Even though that was pretty easy, like. Oh, there's trees, that's pretty cool. Oh, and there's couches, and there's like a zombie. I can't wait to get there. If we do... I died! No! That's okay. Also, Ice Cream Lollipop Girl, if you're watching this, you finally get to see my face. You're probably like thinking I was like 13 or something, or 14. I'm not. Okay. Oh my god. That is so easy, and I'm dying on an easy level. I don't get that. It just, I don't get that. No. Oh yeah, I made it. I just really want to get to the end. Like, I just want to get there. Become a winner. Let's click it. What the? What? Who the heck would pay 999 Robux? 999 Robux. Who would pay that amount? That is so stupid. Sorry if you guys did buy it, but I would only buy it if I was rich. What? What was that? I just fell. God. That's just not fair. That is not fair. Wait. I'm going. Don't you just hate that when you go backwards? I just wasted like 5 seconds or 6 seconds then. That is a lot of time. I'm gonna see if we can get from here to there. Guys. That is not fair. That is so not fair. I have not even got that long. So I better make it really quickly. There's somebody behind me. She's a pro at it. I'm not. Just as I was saying, I'm not. I was right. Because I'm a pro. I'm not a pro. That's funny. What the? Oh my god. She like doesn't even have any Robux, and she's like so good at it. Or she might have Robux, but she just doesn't spend on her avatar. She spends it on games. I spent like 1,000 on this avatar. Doesn't even look like it, but I did. The arm was like 500 Robux. Well, the whole thing was 500, and then I only used the arm. The clothing was pretty cheap and stuff. The cap wasn't too bad. The holiday crown, I had to buy the face, the thing, and I even have an animation, but you just can't see it on this. I think like older games don't like have the animation, and kind of newer games do. And oh my god, I'm failing at this obby. I am failing so bad. I don't think we're gonna finish this because I've only got like 5 minutes to finish this. Maybe I should just go like that. Yeah. Oh my god, you know what guys? I think I'm becoming really bad at Obbys. This is an easy obby. Easy obby. Oh my god, I think I'm becoming bad at it. This is terrible. Ah! My idea completely failed. And it's gonna fail it. Yay! Gee. I don't know. Easy Obbies was so hard. Oh yeah, I finally made it. Is that a noob? It's got no face. Kind of a noob has no face. Oh, I guess they are noobs. Woo! Having no face is just scary. Guys, I am becoming so bad at Obbys, and I just can't even believe it. Oops, I accidentally moved me. Ah, ooh, that was close. Ooh. This bit's easy. The rest is just really hard. What the heck? What? What? Did you guys see that? Like, is that even a part of the hobby? Oh my god! Or maybe when you touch it, you die. I think you would. This one's easy. The other one back there was so hard. Oh, I remember being there. Oh, let's see how far we got to. We went there. We went. Really? I didn't even go far. I think it's because I'm getting really bad at Obbies. But oh my. Oh, this is fun. Ooh. It just goes silent. That's so embarrassing. Boy. These videos are really fun to make because I do it a lot, just like randomly, and it's really, really fun because, like, I don't know. These stairs don't even disappear. That is, what kind of stairs are these? I think I did it in the other Obby, and I'm like, what? But yeah. Woo! This is actually really fun. There is a trick to this. Guys, it's time you know my trick. Okay, so you get your camera and you go like this. So that one's see-through. That one's see-through. That one's hard. Do you see my trick, guys? Do you see my trick? Alright, that one. That one. That one. Okay, cool. So that is my trick, and I do it all the time. Easy. Yeah. Okay. What? Did I touch that? I don't think I did. I seriously don't think I did, guys. No, I This is becoming really, really hard. I did not touch that. You guys didn't see me touch that, did you? I did not touch that. This game is cheating. What? I didn't even touch that. Alright, this is starting to get... Guys! Do you guys even see that? Like, I didn't even touch it and I died. I think it's a thing where you have to go really quick, otherwise you'll just die anyway. So, speaking of die anyway. Okay, ready to go. Guys, I just think that this Obby is getting so hard, or it's just me being really bad because that girl made it, I didn't. I think we're gonna have to end this video here. It didn't go for that long, but I guess it's better than like 3 minutes. But thank you guys so much for watching my video.